How to adjust the door closer. Just need a Phillips head screwdriver and undo the 2 screws that take off the cover either side. Once you take the cover off, there are 2 screws here. One does how fast the door closes, and the other one does the latch, how fast it hits the door frame. You can adjust these with the same screwdriver, just by a 1/4 turn. Then check the door to see how it closes. If you tighten these up, the door closes slower. If you loosen them, it closes faster. Once you're happy with how it closes, you can put the case back on. That's it, job done.